over all the containers like that and smashing them. Hey, we need that container. Thank you. Anyways, so yeah, basically we're just feeding cats, minding our own business. We hear a lot of sounds in the bushes, so we back up. All of a sudden this pig comes along. And all the cats scramble, of course, and then the birds come into it. Focuses the pig. So, yeah, basically there is a giant wild pig over here. So we're just watching it. Yeah. He ate all the rest of the cat food. There's no more left for the cats. Or the birds. And the water. Check all the water too. This is where we are. There's a big gigantic park with one lonely man out there. Look at the captain. I don't know where that pig is going, but let's look at the captain anyways. So, all the food right there. Like water there, eat all food there. Over every single container. Drink all the water, eat all the food, everywhere. And then the little... Look at that. Look at that. Got mud on the rock. And then... little kitten is right there. Kitten, black and white ones. And there's a whole bunch more kittens in there. So we can feed them and then they can. Yeah, basically, that's pretty much it for now. Thanks for joining us today, guys. Bye!